Hi children, welcome to today's chemistry class. Today we can discuss about percentage composition of different elements. Percentage composition means the percentage of that element present in a particular compound. What is the need of finding this percentage composition? Sometimes the scientist will get some unknown compounds. So they want to identify which compound is that. For that, first they are finding out which are the elements present in that compound. Then we calculating the percentage of each element present in that compound. From this percentage of different elements, they can derive the molecular formula of that compound. So they can identify which compound is that. For that, we need to find out the percentage of each element present in a compound. So, in this video, we can study how to calculate the percentage composition of each element in a compound. Percentage composition means the percentage of that element in a compound. It is also known as mass percentage. And how can we calculate this percentage? How we are calculating the percentage of our mark? Our mark divided by total mark into 100, isn't it? So like that, the percentage of an element in a compound can also be calculated using the formula mass of that element in that compound divided by total mass of that compound, that is its molecular mass or molar mass, into 100. Okay, mass of that element in that compound divided by molar mass into 100. This is the formula to calculate the mass percentage. So we can study some examples. First one is water. Which are the elements present in water? Hydrogen and oxygen. So we can calculate the percentage of hydrogen and oxygen in water. So first we can calculate the percentage of hydrogen. Okay. So before that we have to calculate the molar mass. We need the molar mass of this compound. So how can we calculate? We know that molar mass will be equal to its molecular mass. So we can calculate the molecular mass. What is the molecular mass of water? That is the sum of atomic masses of these atoms. Here two hydrogen atoms are there. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus only one oxygen atom. So 1 into atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16. So 2 plus 16, that is equal to 18. That is the molecular mass or molar mass of water. Now we can calculate the percentage. First the percentage of oxygen mass, percentage of, not oxygen, hydrogen. Mass percentage of hydrogen, that is equal to mass of hydrogen in that compound divided by molar mass into 100. So when we are substituting the values, mass of hydrogen in this compound is 2. 2 atoms are there and the atomic mass of one atom is 1. So 2 into 1 divided by molar mass, we have calculated 18 into 100. That is equal to 2 divided by 18 into 100. That is equal to 11.1 percentage. That is the percentage of hydrogen in water. Okay. Now we can calculate the mass percentage of oxygen in water. Mass percentage of oxygen equal to mass of oxygen divided by molar mass into 100. Then mass of oxygen in water is 16 because only one oxygen atom is there. 16 divided by molar mass is 18 into 100. That is equal to 88.8 percentage. Okay, when we are simplifying, we will get the answer 88.8 percentage. So this is the way to calculate the mass percentage of different elements present in a compound. Now the second example we have to study is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, which are the elements? Carbon and oxygen. First we have to calculate the molar mass. So molar mass of carbon dioxide will be equal to its molecular mass, and that we can calculate by adding the atomic masses of these elements. Here carbon atom only one atom, so 12 plus 2 oxygen atoms are there, so 2 into 16, that is equal to 12 plus 32, 44. That is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Now we can calculate the mass percentage of these elements. First, mass percentage of carbon. that is equal to the mass of carbon in this compound, that is 12, divided by total mass or molar mass is 44 into 100. When we are simplifying, we will get the answer 27.2%. Okay, that is the mass percentage of carbon in carbon dioxide. Then next we can calculate the percentage of oxygen in carbon dioxide. That is mass percentage of oxygen. That is equal to mass of oxygen in that compound. Only 2 oxygen atoms are there. So 2 into 16 divided by molar mass is 44 into 100. That is equal to 32 divided by 44 into 100. That is equal to 72.7%. Now we can study one more example, that is ethanol, C2H5OH. Ethanol. Which are the elements? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. First we can calculate its molar mass. Molar mass is equal to ethanol, 2 carbon atoms are there. So 2 into 12 plus 6 hydrogen atoms are there. 5 plus 1, 6 hydrogen atoms. So 6 into 1 plus 1 oxygen atom. So 1 into 16. That is equal to 24 plus 6 plus 16. That is equal to 46. Okay. That is the molar mass of ethanol. Now we can calculate the mass percentage of different elements. Mass percentage of carbon we can calculate first. Carbon, that will be equal to mass of carbon in that compound divided by its molar mass. Okay, and what is the mass of carbon in that compound? 24. 24 divided by 46 into 100. That is equal to 52.11%. That is the mass percentage of carbon in that compound. Then the next element is hydrogen. So we can calculate the mass percentage of hydrogen. Mass percentage of hydrogen is equal to mass of hydrogen in that compound divided by molar mass. And what is the total mass of hydrogen in that compound? 6 hydrogen atoms are there. So 6 into 1, that is equal to 6. That is the mass of hydrogen in that compound divided by molar mass is 46 into 100. That is equal to 13.1%. That is the mass of hydrogen. Now the next one is mass percentage of oxygen in that compound. That is equal to mass of oxygen in that compound divided by its molar mass into 100. And what is the mass of oxygen? In this ethanol only one oxygen atom is there. So its mass is 16 and molar mass is 46. So the mass of oxygen is 16 divided by molar mass 46 into 100. When we are simplifying, we will get the answer 34.7%. So these are the mass percentage of these elements present in that compound ethanol. Okay. One homework also there, that is calculate the mass percentage of different elements present in sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Do that and send. Okay. The notes also you have to write from this video. That means only these 3 problems you have to write. Then write this homework also. Do it and send today itself. Okay.